For most people, figure drawing, which is drawing human body, it seems a mystery. We're going to have a special learning program to help you to get the confidence. We can divide the learning process into two. One is looking for the whole connection, learn how to use a long line to capture the movement and the balance. And the second part of the learning, we will learn how to use light and shadow to create the depth and the forms. This special learning program is not part of our regular member classes. If you're interested to learning this subject matter, take a look at the descriptions to join us. You can read more details on the webpage. In the rest of this video, I'm going to show you how I draw the figure step by step using charcoal. We're going to start by looking for the long, big connections. Capture the long line from left to the right, from top to the bottom. The materials I'm using, vine charcoal and charcoal pencil. So we're going to start with the vine charcoal. Let's take a look on the left side to the right side and just glide it really quickly like that, and all the way to where it's going to be the end. Okay, so you need to look for that. Where's the big connection? Okay, like that, coming down all the way here. If you want to leave a little bit more room on the right hand side over here, you make sure you end it right there, right? And the left side over here is the head. I'm going to limit it to here. Okay, so you have to exercise your full control. And then I'm going to take a look at the middle of the movement of the body. Pull it down over here and then coming onto this side. So you can get a sense of where's the bottom is going to be. Okay, so this coming onto this side like this, and thinking about where's the middle from here to all the way to the head over here at the bottom over here. That's the middle, right? The middle about the knee, and the knees to get a little bit lower like that. So get the key points on the entire figure. You can see that this is a one curved line. Okay, you can draw that line if you want to, like it, and onto this side. And that's coming over here and all the way down, and all the way down to here, and that need to be limited to right about here, and this knee is about halfway between that and coming like that. Okay, and then about the shoulder, and coming all the way down here. So with a very soft charcoal line, you very much can get the big connection. And this hand just a triangle. From here going up, and the E over here you can off a bit and then continue coming here. And this is good. You're gonna stop that. And or if you want to continue onto this side, like that, from this up, and you're gonna hold the tip of the pencil, produce a line from thin to a little bit thicker, and coming down like this. And this is good. You don't have to make it 100% accurate. It just follow the movement like that. Beautiful, one line. And then we're gonna come back with this line is long, it's a key line. It's very important. Now coming up over here and looking for that, and then push it down a little bit and then thin again. And we're going to talk more about how we're going to produce some interesting thick and thin line, and look for the width of the whole body, and then take a look at and curve a bit and then down. Take a look at where's the eye. The eye is about a little bit more than 1/3. So just pull the little shape over there. That's it. Okay, coming down over here, there's another eye. You look at one side, look at the other side. Okay, the nostril over here. That's good. Slower, recognize the line. Recognize the connection. And then the eyebrow. Like that. And then the mouth. Looking for where's the mouth. The mouth is right here. And then under the mouth, the shadow. So you would rather do less than do more in this step. So looking for the connection. Okay, like that. This is good. And then the ear is right about here. Okay, it looks like a little bit triangle. Right, this is good. And then we're going to add a little bit hair. Like that. A little bit softer. Coming this way. Like that. This is the first step of drawing the figure. It's very much the same thing that you draw anything else. Looking for the connection, the long line. In our next step, using the shadow and light to create the forms, the depth, and the focal point. Now I'm going to come back to using the vine charcoal. Okay. The first thing I'm going to look for the larger connections. So let's take a look. I would want the background to be darker. Just looking for the larger. Okay. You can have that over everything. Okay. That. Only leave the area that's just light. Okay, that's good. And look for the shadow. I'm over here, that's a little bit darker. That's even darker. That's good. I'm gonna have that background and raise up a little bit. And you can use a paper towel or your hand. So in this case, I'm going to just use my finger. I can control the pressure. This time I'm going to use the little bit darker materials, which is the compressed charcoal. Now I'm going to come in over here, refine this shape. There's a medium compressed charcoal. Okay, here you go. I'm going to come in over here, take a look. That's good. A little bit, giving a little bit over here. That's good. A little bit darker over here. Take a look at that here. That's good. That's good. Less is more. And then I'm going to soften that. And then over here, a little bit emphasis line. And then at the outside, I'm going to have a little bit thin line. Okay. Like this. All the way coming over. Like that. That's good. A little curve coming down. And now we're looking for the edge. From here all the way down over here. Here you go. And push it. Up. And come back over here. Continue down. And not all the lines need to be the same thickness. Okay, coming over here. That's good. Because this is the tone of the between the light and shadow. This is a little bit darker. We're gonna have this a little bit darker over here. Apply a little charcoal. And now I'm gonna make this a little bit dimmer. That's good. Getting the confidence of drawing human body also help you to gain the confidence of drawing everything else. And using the same universal drawing process. Reserve your spot in this learning program now. I'm looking forward to see you in our classes.